welcome to another week. My sincere apologies, I couldn't do it yesterday. There's a lot of work, and I'm really caught up with these. But I will try and do as much as I can. And thank you once again. Right, let's get to the analysis. Let's see what our sectors looking like. There's Before we jump into the sector, there's you can see instead of four there is five. I've slightly made a tweak because my indices scanner has thrown up a particular index that is bullish or bearish. So I've tried and added that as well to have a look at what's happening there, right? Which is why we see that. Right. Let's just have a quick look at Nifty Bank Nifty. In the meanwhile, it has closed 36 points or 0.17% down, but Bank Nifty has outperformed Nifty by closing positive 0.27% today, which is why we still see only Nifty in the bearish scanner. Right. So this particular 22,200 CE, it's giving me a short, but it's not really looking like a short. Right. This looks like a nice fall, and then it's consolidating. Anything above 361, this will turn bullish, which is not a bad thing to watch. Which again is a swing breakout, which was a resistance here, support here. So this is an area to watch. 22,200 CE above 361 looks very interesting. Till then, it is sideways to bearish. Okay, now looking at the options, we have Asian Paint 2180 PE that's popped up, and this is looking extremely interesting, right? It's a nice anchor column and an ABC, and then it's given a breakout and a follow through, but the anchor column, it's an anchor column resistance. So a double top buy value is 70.5. Anything above 71, this gets activated, and the targets will be anywhere between 100 to 116, and that's a good 30 point. The exit will be close below moving average or a double bottom sell below moving average. So this is something that we can keep a watch on. Asian Paints. And if you've seen the low volatility 30 Asian Paints futures are also come up right now. Intraday pattern Asian Paints is a nice turtle breakout. This is the series of turtle breakouts on bearish, and this is the third one in a row, right? So that intraday looks bearish, and the daily time frame, let's just have a quick look. Daily time frame as well is in the bearish swing. So it's a good watch, right? Above 71, 72, maybe it's a good entry point. But what's interesting that I've noticed in the anchor column follow through of all futures near month, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 scripts that have qualified. Out of that, four of them are bearish, six of them are bullish, right? Bandhan Bank's bullish. You can see zeros here where double top buy zero means it is already in a double top buy, right? And like another 4 5 points, Tata Tech turns bullish, and this is KEI is another 30 points. Uh, Maruti is the one that's slightly away by 300 points, but again, this is an Asian points. Asian Paint is what we've seen is now bearish on all time frames, so we're not getting there. Slowly, I think the bias is sort of going sideways to bullish, but nothing confirmed on the charts yet. So we're not going to look at the bullish moves. Let's just have a quick look at Tata Tech. It's a nice ABC here that's broken out. Anchor column needs to break out as well. Right now that's a good target that you can see of 611 to 585, and on the daily as well. I think there's some issue with the chart here, right? KEI says Hind Petro is giving me a double top buy. This looks extremely interesting. We've got three successive bullish turtle breakouts with a huge anchor column on intraday time frame, right? And it has a 100% pole as well. Hind Petro is looking very good, and it has now confirmed a low pole, right? It's still below moving average. The setup has now become neutral. It is below moving average, but it is a bullish pattern, which we'll see how it plays out. As of now, low pole follow through would be the entry for Hind Petro. Let's have a look at SBI. SBI is an anchor column with a triple top buy, turtle breakout with a turtle, another turtle breakout, right? So this looks good as well. And this also has done low pole, but it's below moving average. So these are watch lists to keep, and you can try and see how you can play around with them. Let's have a look at the last one. Maruti, I think it's good. There was a bullish turtle breakout, but there was no follow through, and then it continued falling from 12,400 or to 11,600. And on daily time frame, it is a massive anchor column which is now gone below the moving average, and the turtle breakout has happened. Right, so Maruti is looking weak, and the last one for today is Bandhan Bank, and let's see how. Oh, this Bandhan looks very good for uh, a long trade, which is about to break the D-Smart levels. There was a big anchor column. There was no follow through, but instead it's made a series of double top buys, and the retracement was just the reversal three box retracement, and it's up 5% today in a weaker market, which looks pretty interesting. I think above 155, a daily close above 155 will change this setup to bullish, right? To target a 170s to 200s. Okay, the other couple of things that we can have a quick look at is Reliance. Reliance is looking bearish. It is below moving average, and there is a long anchor column here, but it did not get a follow through, which looks like is coming now. And this ABC was broken out, but it did not, right? There's a double top buy here without a double bottom sell, and there's another double top buy here which is given a double bottom sell. So a double bottom sell below moving average, you need to have a look at this in the bearish view, right? Which is a long anchor column. Just keep in mind disparity. I'm not really getting into the concepts here. And let's have a look at HCL Tech. HCL Tech is taken resistance at the moving average, and it is a nice bearish ABC. It is a huge fall, right? We know from the result it fell, right? And it's continued falling. It's not gone, it's not changed, right? But IT breath is not favorable for new sell positions. So it's a good to watch system. Even Bajaj Auto has fallen over 1,000 points, or from the peak of 12,000, 13,000 to 12,600 to 7,300, right? It's a big fall. No bullish positions with these, right? So overall summary, I think my picks are Asian Paint for sure on the shorter side, or even a put buy. And I'd like to keep Hind Petro and SBI in watch list for low pole follow through. Thank you, and please do share, subscribe, and 80% of the 80% of the views are from unsubscribed folks. I request you to give it a subscribe, and keep showing the love. Thank you very much.